the heart of India, a sacred tradition stretches back thousands of years, where millions come together not just for a festival but to renew their spirit and soul. This is the Mahakumbh, the greatest of all Kumbh Melas, a convergence of faith, tradition, and the collective belief that the Ganga, Yamuna, and Saraswati hold in the key to salvation. In Hindu tradition, three Kumbh events are celebrated: Kumbh, Ardh Kumbh, and Mahakumbh. Kumbh is celebrated every 12 years at four sacred locations: Haridwar, Prayagraj, Ujjain, Nashik, Triambakeshwar. Ardh Kumbh is celebrated every 6 years at Haridwar and Prayagraj. Mahakumbh, the rarest of all these and special, is celebrated every 144 years in Prayagraj. This year, 2025, we had the once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to witness the Mahakumbh, where nearly 66 crore devotees took a sacred dip in the Triveni Sangam at Prayagraj. Now let me share with you my journey to the Mahakumbh. So I have done all the calculations and researched all the possible routes that I can take to Prayagraj. But then I realized it was beyond my budget and needs a lot of money. If I am a top influencer, money wouldn't be a problem. I was just kidding. But for someone like me who works and travels, spending 50k on a trip is not something I can afford. And because bus fares and flight fares were on sky, so I kind of quit my planning. But surprisingly, on the last week of Mahakumbh, I got a call from my friends that they know a contact who was planning a round trip to Mahakumbh for the families. So that's how I embarked on my journey to Mahakumbh with the blessings of Ganga Maa on the last weekend of Mahakumbh. Hello all, this is our video to Prayagraj. So yesterday night I started to Prayagraj from Hyderabad, and today now it's around 10 o'clock. We are in Madhya Pradesh near Jabalpur. So we just stopped by here to freshen up and have some brunch. ఓకే సో మనం ఈ సీజన్లో ఎన్ని ట్రిప్స్ వేసారు ఇప్పటివరకు కుంభమేళా? ఏడో ట్రిప్. ఓకే, మనకి ఎన్ని డేస్ పడుతుంది హైదరాబాద్ టు కుంభమేళా?
మనకు 30 అవర్స్ జర్నీ పడుతుంది. 1200 కిలోమీటర్స్. 30 అవర్స్ నాన్ స్టాప్ బండి నడుస్తుంటాయి. 30 అవర్స్.
ఓకే.
ఏంటంటే ప్రయాగరాజ్ కూడా ఒక 20 కిలోమీటర్ యువతల మనకు ట్రాఫిక్ అయిపోతుంది. ఆ 20 కిలోమీటర్ మళ్ళీ బై వాక్ అయినా పోవచ్చు, లేదంటే బైక్ మీద కూడా పోవచ్చు.
ఓకే,
అది ఉంటుంది. ఏమంటే ఇప్పుడు మా కుంభమేళా కూడా ట్రాఫిక్ రష్ ఎక్కువ ఉంది కాబట్టి జర కొంచెం ఇబ్బంది ఉంది అనమాట. కొన్ని వచ్చే పబ్లిక్ రాని పబ్లిక్ ఇబ్బంది ఉంది. ఎందుకంటే వచ్చిన వాళ్ళు ఎవరున్నా సరే కానీ ఫుడ్ ప్రిపేర్ చేసుకొని తీసుకురావాలి.
అవును అవును.
కొంచెం పొయ్యి అయినా మనం బియ్యం రైస్ అలా తెచ్చుకుంటే మనం అనుకొని తినొచ్చు హాయిగా. లేదంటే ప్రతి 50 కిలోమీటర్కి హోటల్స్ ఉంటాయి. నాగ్పూర్ బైపాస్లో ఉంటుంది. జబల్పూర్కి 100 కిలోమీటర్ దూరంలో ఉన్నాం మనం. ఇక్కడ రైట్ సైడ్ జియో పెట్రోల్ పక్కన ఒక హోటల్ ఉంటుంది. ప్రతి ఒక 100 కిలోమీటర్కి ఒక స్టాప్ ఉంటుంది.
ఇప్పుడు మన 30 అవర్స్ ఈ స్టాప్స్ ఆగుతూ వెళ్తేనా, లేకపోతే డైరెక్ట్ వెళ్ళిపోతే 30 అవర్స్
ఉంటాం? ఇక జస్ట్ మనం ఆపుతామో, లంచ్ ప్రిపేర్ చేసుకుంటామో, తింటూనే ఉంటామో, వెళ్ళిపోతూనే ఉంటాం.
అంటే అవి ఇంక్లూడ్ చేస్తే మనకి 30 అవర్స్ పడుతుంది. ఓకే, మీరు ఇప్పుడు ఎన్నిసార్లు వెళ్ళారు కుంభమేళకి? సెవెన్ టైమ్స్ వెళ్ళారు. ఓకే, 7 టైమ్స్ స్నానాలు చేశారు అక్కడ. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ అన్న. థ్యాంక్ యూ. The journey was smooth until we were 300 kilometers away from Prayagraj. The traffic started from there. The vehicles were slightly moving, but it took us 8 hours to cover those 300 kilometers. Here is the fascinating part. I wasn't just seeing vehicles in that traffic, I was seeing whole India. I saw vehicles from different states like Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Nagaland, Chhattisgarh, and many other states. Like a child, I was getting excited seeing those vehicles in the traffic. How beautiful it is that even we are from different parts of the country or from different states, we are traveling for one common spiritual gathering. Even when I was writing these lines for this YouTube video, I couldn't help but smile with that memory in my mind. It was around 8 in the morning when I finally set my foot on the banks of Ganga Maa in Prayagraj. There were kids with their parents, wives with their husbands. There were elderly couple with their children and grandchildren. There were young couple, friends. I saw entire life cycle of emotions there. I also observed there were many families selling one or the other items for their livelihood in Prayagraj. I sat on a boat looking out at the sacred river Ganga Maa, the Triveni Sangam. Ganga Maa is not just a river for me. For me, she is a mother helping, protecting, nurturing and guiding through the journey of life. Every time I visit her, I am reminded of the timeless and deep connection we share. I took a few dips at Triveni Sangam. It all happened so fast due to such massive crowd, but still, visiting KumbhMela is itself an experience that we cannot describe. We should all appreciate the UP government and police for their tireless efforts in managing crowds of devotees every day. It was not at all an easy task, yet they were always there helping traffic, guiding people and ensuring everyone's safety. We also should thank the ground staff there. The clean roads and clean banks of the river were all because of them. There were toilets and clean drinking water installed everywhere. We all have had such a smooth journey of Mahakumbh because of all these people. So thank you everyone. I would like to emphasize one point here, and I have always said this on my Instagram too. Please keep your surroundings and Mother Nature clean. If you are keeping your surroundings clean, you are also keeping our Mother Nature clean. I am stressing this point here because I have seen people leaving or throwing cloths, plastic bottles, any waste in Ganga Maa or near Ganga Maa. By this way, you are doing more harm than good. You are polluting the waters which you consider as sacred, and you are also making other devotees uncomfortable. It's not only with Ganga Maa, it's the same scenario with all the major rivers in India which hold spiritual significance. Please don't throw any plastic or waste or cloths in the water. It's a simple act from our side to respect our Mother Nature. The Mahakumbh is more than just a moment in time. It's a reflection of our shared spirituality, our collective beliefs in divine, and our respect towards the forces of Mother Nature. It serves as a reminder that in this vast universe, we are also part of a greater whole. Thank you for watching. Before we end this video, I would like to show you one investment I have made for this YouTube. You might have noticed the difference of light in this video and my previous videos, YouTube videos, right? So it's because of the investment I have made in this light. So I'll review it for few more videos, and if it is working fine, then I'll make a video about it on the Instagram so that you all can refer it or buy it if you are into the video creating or photo shoots. Happy traveling. Please watch, subscribe and share my videos.